the perfect name for Warhol in the 60s, the combination of Dracula and Cinderella.
Andy was an enabler.
Really? Nobody wanted his artwork at the time.
I think he's queen of the pop art.
He was the one that had the guts to save the Velvet Underground.
And these guys yelled at us, "You fucking play that again, we'll beat the shit out of you."
On drugs, on speed, on amphetamine.
These were people who were non-functional, dysfunctional.
I never in my life believed that these things would be considered films.
He did 2 hours of my ass. I have the most famous ass in the world.
A glittering facade?
A glittering facade.
Silver goes with stars.
I don't have any favorite color because I've decided silver was the only thing around.
This is the factory, and it's something you can't recreate, as when we were making films there with the actual people there, making art there with the actual people there. And that's my cat, Ruby. Imagine living and working in a place like that. It's so cool, isn't it?